ìròyìn tó gbanu láti Warri ọmọbìnrin ọdún 11 tó di ẹni tí ń gbé egbògi olóró. Ẹ ò ní gbàgbé ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Warri báyìí o. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá mú ọmọbìnrin ọdún 11 kan fún gbígbé oògùn olóró kiri. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọmọ ọdún 11 wọ́n rí nínú kẹ̀kẹ́ kan, ó sì gbé oògùn olóró bíi pé ó ti mọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ dáadáa. Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní agbègbè Ekpan ní Warri. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá wà lórí iṣẹ́ wọn nígbà tí wọ́n dá kẹ̀kẹ́ tí ọmọ náà wà nínú rẹ̀ dúró. Wọ́n yẹ àpò rẹ̀ wò, wọ́n rí i pé àpò náà kún fún oògùn olóró. Ó ya àwọn ọlọ́pàá lẹ́nu ohun tí ojú wọn rí nígbà tí wọ́n mú un dé ibùdó ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n sì bi í léèrè. Ọmọbìnrin kékeré náà fi ìfọ̀kànbalẹ̀ sọ pé màmá òun ló fún òun láti lọ jà fún oníbàárà, kì í ṣe ìyá rẹ̀ gangan o, obìnrin tó ń gbé pẹ̀lú rẹ̀. Ohun tó yani lẹ́nu jù ni pé ọmọbìnrin náà ṣàlàyé gbogbo iṣẹ́ náà bíi pé ó ti pẹ́ tó ti ń ṣe. Ó fi hàn wọ́n bí ó ṣe máa ń gbé oògùn olóró náà, kò sí ìbẹ̀rù, kò sí ìdààmú. Wọ́n ti kọ́ ọ, ìyẹn ló mú inú àwọn èèyàn bàjẹ́, kò tí ì di ọlọ́mọge gan-an. Àwọn kan sì ti sọ di ajábọ̀ egbògi olóró. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá gba béèlì 500,000. Àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà bínú gan-an. Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe lè fi béèlì tó ga bẹ́ẹ̀ lé ọmọdé lórí? Ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́yìn náà, àwọn ọlọ́pàá sọ pé àwọn yóò dá owó náà padà. Wọ́n tún sọ pé àwọn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwádìí láti wá àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn rẹ̀. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, àwọn èèyàn ń béèrè pé mélòó sì ni àwọn ọmọ mìíràn tí wọ́n ń lò bí èyí ní ìkọ̀kọ̀. Tí wọn kò bá mú èyí, kò sí ẹni tó máa mọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí èyí jẹ́ ọgbọ́n fún wa. A nílò láti dáàbò bo àwọn ọmọ wa. Wo àyíká rẹ, wo àwọn ọmọdé tó wà nítòsí rẹ bí wọ́n ní ìbéèrè, nítorí tí a kò bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n á lò wọ́n, wọ́n á sì pa wọ́n run láìmọ̀. Èmi ni BiBi Olami. A sì máa ń mú àwọn ìtàn òtítọ́ àti ìtàn tó ṣe pàtàkì wá fún yín. Má gbàgbé láti tẹ̀lé wa, fẹ́ràn fídíò yìí kí o sì pín. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní orílẹ̀-èdè wa. Màá tún máa rí yín. Ó dìgbà.
I am SP Bright, and this is Delta State Police Command. Today is Saturday, but because of the importance of this, what we are doing today, that's the reason why I've come to the office on a Saturday on my full police uniform to bring this to you. It is particularly a sad one that personally I don't see any pleasure or fun in even doing this because it's very sad. However, yesterday a particular ex-user posted something online alleging that policemen arrested an 11-year-old who did not do anything, and they did this to her, and they did it to her. All she did was to attract public sympathy, and that prompted my attention to contact the division to ascertain indeed what truly happened. You deserve to hear from both sides. It's everywhere on the blog, and people are condemning the police, but that was then. Now the police have a voice on the internet. When you accuse us, we are there now to counter it and also bring facts that these people who are looking for cheap publicity, content creation, engagement don't actually have. That is why we are here today. Madam, what will be your name?
Esther.
Esther who?
Esther Ogbunubo.
Where you dey stay?
Warri.
How old are you?
I'm 45.
Okay, this girl went there beside you. What will be her name?
Rejoice.
Rejoice. How old is she?
She's 11 years.
Okay. Wetin they say she do yesterday for Ekpan police station?
They see her with drugs.
What kind of drugs?
Codeine and tramadol.
Okay. Okay. Codeine and tramadol, abi?
Yes.
Okay. Who sent her? Where did she get these drugs from?
For Warri.
Where for Warri?
For Jakpa Road.
Wetin they sell am there?
Yes, sir.
You send am? Na you send am or she just go there on her own?
Na me send her.
How much you send her to buy all these drugs? How much you give her?
About 100,000.
These drugs wey dey reach 100,000?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My friend,
Rejoice.
what is your name?
Rejoice.
Okay, Rejoice. This mommy close to you. Who is she to you?
My mother.
She's your mother. Okay. These drugs, which person hand they see am yesterday?
My hand.
Your
Hand.
hand. Were you inside a keke?
Yes.
You and who did the keke?
Only me.
Only you. But na person drive you now.
Yes.
Okay. What be this?
Codeine.
Which particular drug be this?
Codeine.
Codeine. This one dey part of the one they see for your hand.
Yes.
Which one be this?
Black diamond.
Okay, yeah, this black diamond, I'm not particularly sure if it is controlled or not. But I know it's for sexual libido. So I don't have much business with this. Which one be this?
Tramadol.
Tramadol. Okay. So this tramadol and this codeine, where you forget them?
Warri.
Warri, who send you?
My mommy.
Your mommy. Now your hand dey see am, abi dey see am for another person, come say na you carry am.
It's my hand.
Where did you, which bag you put am? You put am inside bag?
No.
You hold the drug for hand like this?
No, back of the keke.
Okay. This particular nylon. Okay, oh. This one na wetin?
Suino.
Suino. So you can confirm that in your hands, they saw Suino, codeine, and tramadol. Now, my real concern is not that she was even found with drugs. But my concern is that how can an 11-year-old be able to identify these drugs by their name? I've not taken it close to her eye to even see what is there. She already knows this is codeine, this is Suino, and this is tramadol. It's not right. It's not right. In any way, it is not right. That is why we have to be very, very careful about what we expose our children to. Madam, all these things now, the reports wey dey online say the girl dey keke, dey go her home, police arrest am with boys wey carry drug. Na wetin happen be that?
No. She's lying.
Who send the girl the drug?
Na me send am.
Okay, this business, how long you don dey do am? I told you I don't want a lie.
I don dey do am close to 2 years now.
Close to 2 years.
Yes.
Now you don dey sell.
Yes.
Okay, who are the people who usually petrol? Who dey buy these drugs from you?
Na boys dey buy am, but sometimes me as if dey take because of sleep. Sometimes I no dey fit dey sleep, so I dey take.
You dey take some of them. Why
Yes.
boys dey buy am?
Yes.
Which categories of boys dey usually buy this thing?
Na Yahoo boys.
Yahoo boys. Who are Yahoo boys? Okay, you don't know, you just know say they be Yahoo boys. No problem. I like the fact that you no answer since you don't know, because like I said, I don't want a lie. Just tell me the truth. So that's it basically for now. It is very important for the right narrative for you to be informed of the actual circumstances or the actual story. And that is why we are here. Please, I want you to view these drugs again. These are what was found in the hands of an 11-year-old girl. Tramadol, codeine, Suino. I'm not concerned about this one, no, but you people should judge for yourself if this is right or wrong. Thank you, and God bless you always.